Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Yabona uKenny Kunene noGayton Mackenzie. They are so childish. Oh my word. Like, where would you even go live? Ukhuluma ngendaba kakade sokukuthi wena self. Sengisho uKenny Kunene wawusoleka ngendaba yokuthi uyamazi ngalo kwatholakala kwakhe ngithi wazwazirezanela wena. Now they brought you back, you continue to be a child in politics, a baby in politics basically. Now this video that's going around of them busy laughing about the 400,000 ukuthi uNdiyezwe uKenny Kunene. Guys, like, you will never know, because both of them nabo labo in any case bake bahlala ejele njengabo umngani wabo uKatiso. They will never grow up, those two people. Problem, these two think this is some game that we are playing here. It's busy thina sicontrolwa in our country by imgulukudu. We understand. This is just so crazy, guys. Just let me know what you think of them. They are so childish. I'm just like, finally, stop him at some stage. It needs to stop, actually. Because then, which means, so which means they don't want to repent.
Why are you paying bail for people? What is the guy's name? Katie Molefe. I don't know him, but why are you paying bail of almost 400,000 for Katie Molefe? We want to know. I must ask you, why did you pay bail for him if you indeed did pay bail?
Now, Press, if I paid the bail, why wouldn't you know? Because, in fact, you are the one that sent me a message that Molefe just got bail.
Oh, yeah, I did send you WhatsApp.
You sent me a WhatsApp and said, I see Molefe just got bail.
Yes, I remember. I saw on social media.
How could I have paid bail if I was informed by you that you got bail? And I said, what?
Yes, I remember. I said
that was my response to you. So how could I have paid bail if you were the one who actually...
Oh, yeah, I never thought about it that way.
Because you are always on social media. I'm not always on social media. So you are the one that informed me.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
I saw on social media that thing is Katie Molefe has been paid bail. If bail has been paid for him. So I sent the DP actually a WhatsApp, and he said, what? He got bail. I said, yes, he got bail. So yeah, DP.
So it's a lie that I paid Molefe's bail. I did not pay his bail. I was not even aware that he got bail. It is the press that sent me the message that he got bail. And I just responded the way. My response was clear that I was not even aware that he got bail. So it's a lie.